Hello, this video tutorial is on how to launch a curriculum proposal in our curriculum management system. When you're ready, go ahead and log into the system by clicking Login, entering your Chafee email for your email address and the password you currently have, and when you're completed, click Sign In. Please note there may be a new interface or edits and revisions to content or fields on some pages in which a new video may not be created. A new video will be made if any edits or revisions substantially change the functionality of each page. In our curriculum management system, there are two proposals that you could work with in terms of launching a proposal. The two main categories are new proposals, which will either be a new course, a new program, or a mid-cycle update form, or you can modify existing courses and programs. To start, we will pretend that we are going to create a new proposal. Again, that can either be a new course, a new program, or a mid-cycle update. So to start a new proposal, you'll click on Create New Proposal. Select the proposal type. It does default to new course, so if that is what you're looking for, you would just select Create. If you wanted to do a mid-cycle update form, you would click on Mid-cycle Update Form, or you would click on New Program if you want to work on a new program. We will stick with the course. Once you're done, you would go ahead and hit Create. Once you've selected Create, you will see this page. This is actually the course development page, and there are different tabs for the originator to fill out. That will give us various information about your curriculum, such as the content, course learning outcomes, methods of instruction, class assignments, and so on. This is where you'll also add your distance education modality. So this is how you completely develop the outline of your course in our system. Over here on the left-hand side are the different tabs that must be completed. On each tab, you'll have requirements that need to be completed, which is listed on the right-hand side. So on the basic course information page, there are 11 requirements. For the units and hours, there are 6. For the objectives, there's 1, and so on. As you begin to work through the page and you accomplish all of the launch requirements, this number will change on the left-hand side, indicating how close you are to completing the number of requirements that are needed. Once it's 11 out of 11, or 6 out of 6, or 1 out of 1, for example, this tab will turn green, or you will see again 11 out of 11, or 6 out of 6, or 1 out of 1. All of the tabs would need to be completed, and once all the tabs are completed and they have a box similar to this one, your launch button will appear and you'll be able to click it. And that is how you would launch a new course proposal. There will be a tutorial on how to navigate each one of these pages individually, and then this tutorial will also be included in the actual page itself. The key thing to remember when launching new courses is that all the items must be completed. You must show a number out of a number, so 11 out of 11, or 1 out of 1, or 6 out of 6, and or you can look for the green box indicator if that works better for you in order to launch in. So right now we need 34, 36 requirements remain. Once those are completed, you can launch that proposal, and that is how you launch a new course into the system.